Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Gumroad sales balance easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from your once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales tab located in the main menu. In the Sales section, click on the Payouts option. You will see your current sales balance displayed on this page. To proceed with the withdrawal, click the Withdraw button. Next, choose the amount you wish to withdraw from your sales balance. Make sure to check if you have any processing fees associated with the withdrawal. After selecting the amount, choose your preferred payment method. Gumroad typically offers options such as PayPal or direct bank transfer. If you're using PayPal, ensure your email address is linked in your account settings. For direct bank transfers, make sure to input your banking details accurately. Once you have chosen the payment method, confirm your details. Review your withdrawal request for accuracy before submitting. After confirming everything is correct, click the Confirm Withdrawal button. Gumroad will process your request, which may take a few days depending on the method chosen. You will receive a notification via email once your withdrawal is complete. Check your Gumroad account again to monitor your sales balance after the withdrawal is processed. That's it. You've successfully initiated a withdrawal from your Gumroad sales balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.